Both the US indices trading with a little drop, US30 at 32,730 and US100 at 12,900. What is going to happen today? Which position we should take before I come up with my next analysis and update before the US cash session? Till then, which position you should take in order to make profit? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. First, we'll look into NASDAQ 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and do watch till the end and do listen to it carefully. Let's start with the hourly charts first. On the hourly charts, yes, there is a support at 12,880, 12,870 levels. Yes, if it drops below 12,880, yes, this time you can go short, and 12,870 you should be watchful of. Below that, it may come back to 12,850, the very strong support. Below that, it is going to head towards this zone at 12,750. So till the time it trades below now at 12,920, you can stay short. The 12,920 levels you should watch out for. Beyond 12,920, we can expect 12,950 and plus levels. So in between 12,870 and 12,920, do not trade. Below 12,920, below 870, 850 is the major support, and below that it is going to break for 800 and 750 levels. See, 750 is the next stronger support on the downside. You have to be watchful of that. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic on the hourly charts is at bottom. It is oversold. It can bounce back. MACD is wide divergent and bearish, and RSI is sloping downwards indicating bearishness. If you look at the 2-hour chart, similarly on the 2-hour charts, it is giving you lower highs, lower lows. Be cautious. Only if it breaks past 12,920, you can go long there. Beyond that, yes, you can expect it to fly for 12,940, 950. And yes, if you see it trading beyond 12,950, definitely stay long for 13,000 levels. At the same time, be watchful of 12,870 levels. Below that, yes, you can expect 12,850 to provide a support, 800 to provide a support, and 750 will come into picture on the downside. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is looking downwards. It was overbought. The MACD is wide divergent and bearish. It is crossed 3 candles back. RSI is near to top, and that is why we can see a drop. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, you can find out lower highs it is given. It is looking forward to another drop. The support there at 12,880, 870 is strong. Below that, you can expect it to come back till towards 12,850, and below that we can expect a further fall for 12,800, 750 levels. For the day, 12,750 should play a major role. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is looking forward to crossover for a sell entry. And if you look at the RSI, this is overbought, and hence we can look forward to a drop. The 4-hour charts, similarly on the 4-hour charts, right now it is trading indecisive, and probably the next candle may try to take it further down, as there is a support at 12,850. It can try to honor that, and below that it can try to get the support from 12,800 and 750. Be watchful of 12,750, 700. Below that only it is going to act bearish. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic overbought looking downwards. MACD is looking forward to converge and crossover for a sell. RSI is overbought too, hence you have to be watchful there. On the daily, look at the daily charts. Lower highs, be watchful of 12,950, 960. And yes, if you see it trading beyond 12,950, 960, definitely one can stay long for 13,000 plus levels. Else I'll look forward to a draw for 850, 800, and in fact I can look forward to 750 levels, which is going to be the next support level. Be cautious till there. Below 750, it is going to head towards 12,600 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is wide divergent bullish. RSI is near to overbought levels. So possibility exists that beyond 12,920 you can go long, but be watchful of, see, about 12,990, 920 you can expect 12,940, 950, 960. These 3 levels. In between this, it is going to get a stronger resistance. So yes, achieving this, it can fall back, but do not stay short. If you see it trading about 12,960, definitely then 13,040, 13,050, and beyond that it is going to fly high on the upside till towards 13,200 levels. So be watchful there. At the same time, if you see it trading below 12,870, yes, 870, 880 levels is a good support level. If it drops below this, you can expect 12,850, 800, and then in fact 12,750 levels. That is going to be a very strong support for the day. So yes, you can take your trades accordingly. Till the time it trades below 12,940, 950, 960, I can expect it to reverse. However, above 12,920, you can take a long entry, but please keep a stop loss at cost itself, whatsoever it is. After 5-10 points, you have to keep shifting your stop loss to cost, so that you can preserve your capital. Till the time it trades below 12,960, you can expect it to drop again. On the downside, be watchful of 12,850. Below 12,850, we can expect a stronger draw for 12,800 and 750 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Now US30 looking forward to a drop here after three green candles and a retracement. It is looking forward to a drop. You can see that 32,760 is the next resistance level which it has to break. Only if it breaks past 32,760 you can stay long for 32,800, 840 and then 32,900. Else we may look forward to 32,700 as a very strong support. Below that you can expect 32,680, 650 levels, and below that it is going to drop heavily on the downside towards 32,500 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is trading at bottom. The MACD is wide divergent and bearish here, and the RSI near to top. Similarly, if you see at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see achieving the double top there at 32,760. It is looking forward to a drop. Be watchful here. Till the time it trades between 32,760 and 32,700. Rather, I will not recommend you to trade below 32,700. You can go short for 32,650 first support, then 32,600, 580 is the next support, and below that 32,500 is going to get achieved, which is a stronger support zone. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic is looking downward. The MACD has just crossed over first red candle, hence we can see further bearishness there. RSI is near to top, and if you look at the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts. Only if it breaks below 32,700 you can go short. Above 32,760, yes, you can go long again, which can take it till towards 32,800, 840 levels. And on the downside, yes, if it trades below 32,700 you can remain short for 32,650, 600 and then towards 580 and 500 levels. Directional movement extremely bullish. Stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover and it can cross over for a sell. RSI is near to overbought levels. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. And if you look at directional movement, extremely bullish, extremely wide and divergent. Stochastic is overbought, now looking downwards. MACD is looking forward to converge crossover. RSI is overbought too. And on the daily chart, similar is the observation. Similar are the levels. And on the downside, see here, on the downside the support there at 32,400 is strong, and then below that 31,800 is strong. Yes, if it continues to drop, these two levels will come to the rescue. Directional movement wide divergent bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish here. It is trading in green since couple of weeks, and RSI is overbought. Considering this, go short at 32,700 only. Below 32,700 there are supports at 32,650, 600, 580 and then 500 levels. On below 32,500 there is going to be a little more bearishness on the cards. On the upside, yes, you can go long at 32,760. Above that, yes, probability exists that it may get a little resistance at 32,800, 850 and 900 levels. Yes, till the time it trades below 32,900, possibility exists that it can remain bearish. So trade accordingly. In between 32,760, 700 do not trade. Rather, I will say 32,800 and 32,700 do not trade. Above that also 32,900 should be a good resistance level for it to retrace back on the downside. So take your trades accordingly. Trade profitably. Trade with a stop loss. Join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting soon on 8th of August. 15 days, 90 minutes daily and lifetime support you get. Strategy is taught and the methodology is taught, will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.